In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So first, you want to open your Messenger app, and then you want to create a new message. For that, click on the button right here, and now you can select a person to send a message to, or you can click on Create a New Group. If you click there, it will take you to the screen where you can add people to your group. Clicking on the circles right here, you can select the amount of people you want to add and then click on Next. Now, type a group name and then click on Create. Here you can chat, send photos and images, and you can also call them or video chat with them. If you want to delete it, go back to the chats, slide to the left and click on delete, and then click on delete chat, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you on the next one.